Hey, I'm going to show all my Angry Birds. Here's Austin. There's the red bird. He doesn't have any power. Here's Bubbles. He likes to puff up big and he's cute. The bomb. He explodes. You can open his beak too and close it. Here's the boomerang bird. He goes back like a boomerang, like Here's Terrence. He's much heavy. Okay. He's so heavy a lot. This red bird is much different than my new plush toy I got for my birthday. I got this plush toy for my birthday. That's pretty cool. This red bird, they're both different. They're both even. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, including I got this Angry Bird mask.